If you've been feeling a little frustrated lately, consider making something with your own hands. Numerous research shows that practical tasks, such as knitting, for example, can help us achieve emotional satisfaction and improve our well-being. Don't know where to start? Why not look for inspiration on YouTube channels that are interested in DIY? Even if you are not interested in DIY, you will get a lot of inspiration and maybe even motivate you to start your own project just by following these YouTube channels. The best DIY educational YouTube channels. 1. Christine McConnell. Many fans of Netflix's The Curious Creations of Christine McConnell will be thrilled to catch up on this channel even though Netflix canceled the show after its first season. But episodes are still available. You can join Kristen on her YouTube channel as she sews her antique pillow or restores a nearly 200-year-old birdcage, bringing back a pull-out sofa. Kristen's videos can give you many inspirations on furniture repair, home renovation and many other DIY ideas. 2. With Wendy. If you want to learn how to sew your own clothes and don't know how to get started, this channel will give you many unique ideas. From how to prepare and dust a sewing machine, to basics of sewing, creating patterns, and many other lessons in the field, Wendy gives you great sewing ideas. Some of which are inspired by the clothes of celebrities and international brands. 3. Living to DIY with Rachel Metz. This channel is all about DIY pet clips. Rachel's videos teach you how to make dog beds, sleds, sliding doors for animals, and much more. 4. I like to make stuff. Have you ever wanted to build a secret room that you can access via the wardrobe? You can learn how to do that and more on Bob's I Link to Make Stuff channel. 5. Liziqi, a young Chinese woman, spends her daily life on her grandparents' farm. She grows and picks cotton, builds different pieces of furniture, and posts many of her other great rural projects on her YouTube channel that has millions of followers. One of her videos got 50 million views. Although it's not exactly a DIY channel, it will definitely inspire you to do something productive, or at least give you a sense of comfort while you follow her clips. 6. The Sorry Girls. Whether you're looking for home renovation or interior decorating ideas, Kelsey and Becky's The Sorry Girls channel gives you great inspiration in a series of fun, simple how-tos on DIY home DIY ideas for transforming your home into a cozy place.